So these are the new notes I put in here. And so I've already saved the file in my VMI environment. And so I'm going to, so this is my file here, copy of the pivot data. So I'll start Power BI now. So I started with a blank report, import data from Excel. And this is my desktop in which I had saved the data. So you have to click the sheet. So this is my sheet 1, and then I do load. So you need to be patient. The system is quite slow in its basic operations. So here is on the right side is where I have my data sheet. So I can expand them. And now, I can just drag things here. So if I want just a complete total, I can drag my box here. Sum of total, and I can select discard. So this is essentially just then I can drag other item. So I drag item and I drag my total and I select say. So this is sum of total by items. I drag region. I drag total and I can make this as so that is one of the dimensions item, one of the dimensions is region, one of the dimension is wrap. Again, I can drag the total here and I can and this has quite a few number of people involved in. I can have two dimensions and one measure, so I drag item, I drag region, and I drag total, and I make stacked column. So this is like my dashboard. Now I need the slicers as we have it in Excel. So this is, the same company, so interface looks a little different. So I have to highlight one of these. So I go to format. I click here, entire page, and then I do edit interaction. So in theory now, whatever I select, this is going to impact the entire page, So I might select just binder. Now everything has changed. This value has changed. This value, all this has changed. They are only showing by binder. And if I want to remove the filter, I just double click again. Then I might want to filter by a particular region. So I want to just select region. So I select, say, East. And now again, as you can see, this value has changed. So the total sales value for the East, sum of total item, but these are again only for the East. And so these are the representatives that work for the East. And so now I can again get rid of the filter, and I can now save this file, save as, again in the desktop, and I can call this, say, November 18th. And I can now exit. So November 17th I have got, I should be having November 18th as well here. So this is November 18th, and I have my canvas here. So I can go to an assignment, and I can load my November 18th file. So that is the way we can do. So we have to be working in the VMI environment, because that's where the BI is. So, whether you're doing the test or the homework, you should do everything within the VMI environment. You have access to your canvas, you have access to, places to store the data, and I'm doing it on my desktop. And so this is what all the details here are given as a printout. You can have a printout, and so that is the